Is everyone in, Ms. Hills?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Judge Orca. This is the Orca Conference calendar. It's right at 9 o'clock, so let's begin. Let's see, if you are on the Zoom call with me, I'm going to ask that you treat yourselves as if you are actually in court with me. That means please don't be walking around. If you're driving, please pull over and get onto a safe place to speak with the court. You should not be eating or drinking any food or beverage or chewing gum while you're on this court session this morning. If you're a defendant in a case, let me just tell you, you have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you. You have a right to have an attorney present at these proceedings. If we do have public defenders on the line, if you would like to qualify, see if you qualify for a public defender today, we'll be happy to give you that opportunity. If you are a lawyer that's on the line this morning, these cases have been transferred from a division judge to the Orca division. They will remain in the Orca division through resolution. So if they're not resolved with a plea, we will either have a bench trial or a jury trial at some time, hopefully in the very near future. Mr. Haddad, good morning. I see that you're on the line with us. Could you let people that would like to see if they qualify for public defender know how they can go about doing that this morning?
Sure. If you're interested in applying for a public defender to speak to somebody with us, just in the chat line, after the judge calls your name and all that, make sure to put your email address and your phone number, best way to reach you. Ms. Helen and I, one of us will see if you qualify. And Judge, just so the court is aware, Ms. Rosenhoover is on her way to the courtroom, so she'll be there for anybody who's physically there, Judge.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Haddad. Ms. Rosenhoover is also here in court with me for the public defender. Ms. Reiser is here in court with me for the solicitor. It looks like Ms. Githia is on the line also from the solicitor's office to talk with people today. Attorneys on the cases, given that they're going to remain in the Orca division, if you have already talked with a solicitor in the division, I encourage you to talk with a solicitor that's here in the Orca division, because as I said, these cases will remain here and you'll be doing all your negotiations with Ms. Reiser or Ms. Githia or one of the other solicitors that's here with us in the Orca division. Okay, let's see who's with us this morning. Position number 1, Khalid Abdulli, Abdullahi, represented by Bridget Gray. I'll hold for Ms. Bray's report. Let's see if we can see where she is this morning. Position 2, Sheila Alexander, represented by Taurus Butterfield.
Good morning, Your Honor. Taurus Butterfield. I believe this is my first appearance before this honorable court. How are you, Judge?
I'm doing well, Mr. Butterfield. I hope you are as well.
I am, Judge.
What are we doing with Ms. Alexander today?
Judge, Ms. Alexander has received an offer from the state. She has rejected that offer. I communicated that with the state last week. She maintains her not guilty plea and desires to go forward with trial in this matter, Judge.
Does she desire a bench trial or a jury trial?
Jury trial, Your Honor.
Okay. My first jury trials will be in October. We don't have those scheduled yet as of yet, Mr. Butterfield. You'll get notice of October. If it's not in October, possibly November. These cases will remain with me. So, and my next jury trials, I believe, are in October. So you and your client will get notice. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. May I make an announcement, Your Honor? I have one other matter.
Before we proceed with that, Your Honor, just wanted to say that the state did receive, the state is the state is withdrawing this offer, and if they decide to plead prior to trial, it'll be a non-negotiated plea.
Thank you very much, Counselor.
Okay, so I'll get to your next one, Mr. Butterfield, and we'll be with you, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Can I give you that name, Judge?
Okay, what's the name?
That name is Terence Johnson, case 22 CR 002085. Terence Johnson, he should be on the call also. I spoke with him earlier today.
Okay, he's position number 30. And what are we gonna do with Mr. Johnson?
Judge has the same announcement. There is no offer that he's accepting at this time. He maintains his plea of not guilty and will be ready for trial in October.
Okay, very good. He'll get notice for the October trial calendar also. If you are able to work it out before then, I'm happy to put you back on another calendar. If you are unable to work it out by then, just know that these cases will be tried in October, okay?
Thank you. And finally, Judge, on that matter, the state did serve me a few days ago with a 404B notice, a similar transaction or prior bad act, however we describe it these days. But that problem, I'm not sure if the court's going to want to hear that prior to, like on a separate day or just prior to trial. But my client it would be good for him to know if that's going to come in or not. But I didn't want to put the court on notice that there is an outstanding motion that the state filed. We would object to that evidence coming in. So I just wanted to put, if the court could just calendar that, or at least, make note that the state did file that motion.
I'm going to put that on the calendar right now, Mr. Butterfield. It's will be heard, if it's okay with you, on August 30th on our 9 a.m. motions calendar.
Judge, I will be on leave. I filed leave. I'll be on leave from August 23rd to September 1st.
Okay, September 20th motions calendar. Does that work?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we'll put you on the September 20th motions calendar and move it forward that way. Thank you. Anything further this morning?
No, Your Honor. Can I have the time on that September 20th date?
9 a.m. also.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's going to conclude my business, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, have a good day. Nice to meet you, Mr. Butterfield.
Nice to meet you also, Judge.
Position number 3, Hakeem Allah.
Good morning, Judge. It's my case. Mr. Allah is present here in my office.
Yes, good morning, Mr. Springer. Let's see, what are we doing with Mr. Allah this morning?
Well, Your Honor, we had some issues. His previous attorney was actually disbarred, and so he did not get notice. There was a bench warrant issue. We got all of that resolved, and then I filed into the case last year. We just received the majority of the discovery at the end of last week or beginning of this week, so I actually have Mr. Allah here this morning so that we can go over some of the discovery after court. There is one more item missing. I believe we're waiting on a search warrant. But at this point, we are not ready. We would ask for one more opportunity once we've received all the discovery, because there may be motions, or we may have a resolution depending on the outcome of that additional discovery.
Okay. Will October 4th status calendar give you enough time to get everything that you need?
That will be plenty of time, Judge.
Okay, so we'll put you on the October 4th status. And that's at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge. Will we receive notice in the mail?
Yes, you will.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Position 4, Christina Anderson. Christina Anderson. We'll give Ms. Anderson until the end of the calendar to appear. If not, I'll hear a motion from the state. Position 5, Bryce Andrews.
Judge, Mr. Andrews also has position 6. He is one of our cases. I'll be representing him if he appears this morning. If the court could give me an opportunity to reach out to him.
Yes, of course. I'll hold for your announcement, Ms. Rosenhuber. Position 7, Jesse Ashford.
Judge, that will also be my case if Mr. Ashford is present. Judge, if the court could also give me an opportunity to reach out to Mr. Ashford, please.
Okay. Is Mr. Ashford, Jesse Ashford, with us at the present time? I'll hold for your announcement. Position 8, Chloe Baker. Represented by Joseph Kassab.
Your Honor, Mr. Kassab filed a leave of absence.
Okay, thank you. That case will be reset until the October 4th, 9 a.m. status. Position 9, Christopher Bennett.
Good morning, Judge Carly Corbin on behalf of Justice Wiseman for Mr. Bennett. We received discovery as of Monday. We do have some pending motions that we'd like to be heard on, so we would just ask you to put us down on the motions.
Okay, the August 30th motions calendar, does that work for you, Ms. Corbin?
I believe Mr. Spiesman may have leave on that date.
What about September 20th?
September 20th looks like a better date, Judge.
Okay. The September 20th motions calendar, have those motions already been filed, Ms. Corbin?
Yes, they have.
Okay.
They have, Judge.
Thank you. Okay, September
that could-
20th, 9 a.m.
That concludes my business. May I be excused?
Yes, have a good day.
Thank you, Judge. It's nice to see you.
Position 10, Charles Boyette.
Yes, sir. Here, present.
Yes.
Scott.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr.
You're gonna have, if you have two devices on, you're gonna have to turn one of them off. Mr. Boyette, do you have private counsel?
No, I was trying to get a public defender and then I was denied. So, but then I'm not working now, so I want to retry for a public defender.
Okay,
Okay,
so we'll give you the opportunity to make application this morning.
Okay.
If you will go ahead and put your information in the chat, we'll have someone get with you. Position 11, Antonio Butler. Mr. Butler with us? We'll give him till the end of the calendar to appear. Position 12, Rasheem Campbell.
Your Honor, a null pros will be issued in that case. As this case, one of the charges is actually currently in the DA's office.
All right, Mr. Campbell, is this Mr. Campbell?
Yeah, he's coming around to the podium.
Okay,
And Judge, I spoke with Mr. Harvey's office yesterday afternoon. His assistant reached out to me. He's on the trial upstairs with Judge Glanville. But like Ms. Githea said, this case is actually already pending in the DA's office.
okay. So you don't have, the case that's here in state court has been null pros dismissed. So you have nothing pending with us this morning. So it's all in the Superior Court, okay?
Okay.
All right, if nothing further, do you have any questions for me?
No, I just wanted to show court.
Okay, I'm glad that, we appreciate you coming.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you have a good day,
All
sir.
right, thank you.
Position 13, Anthony Carter.
Your Honor, that will be my case. If Mr. Carter appears, I'll attempt to reach out to him with the contact information we have.
On Zoom.
Oh, he's on.
He's
Zoom?
on Zoom.
Okay. Judge, if we could hold for my announcement, I'll attempt to pre-try this case and report back.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, Mr. Carter. We'll have someone reach out to you, sir, okay? Position 14, Guillermo Cerda, C-E-R-D-A. Mr. Cerda with us? We'll give him till the end of the calendar to appear. Position 15, Jordan Charles.
Is Mr. Charles or Miss Charles present?
Jordan Charles.
Judge, if they do appear, I'll be handling that case. In the meantime, I'll attempt to reach out to them with the contact info we have.
Okay, thank you. Position 16, Royce Cornelius.
Judge, that'll be my case. Good morning. I tried to reach out, but the number is from 2021. So I just want to see if that person appeared in person or on Zoom here.
Okay, good morning, Ms. Helen.
Good morning, Judge.
Let's see, Cornelius.
I'm here.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Cornelius. Let's see, we'll get Ms. Helen to speak with you this morning, okay?
Thank you.
All right, if you go ahead and put your information in the chat so that she will have it and she'll give you a call, all right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Position 17, Jessica Custa. Represented by Mark Jackson.
I'm here, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Trying to figure out how all this electronics work. Good to see you.
Fine.
Good to see you, Your Honor.
You also,
Um,
Mr. Jackson.
We have been in discussion with the state on this matter. I actually have provided some discovery that I had received from the city. However, I have not received any discovery from the state because I don't believe that they have the discovery yet either. So I guess I want to hear, what I would probably ask for, Your Honor, is additional time to speak with the state and to file any motions once we get the full discovery from the city on this matter, and see where we go with it. But I have been in conversation, and I apologize if I mess up the last name of the assistant solicitor. She was very gracious to talk to me. Gayton.
Get the air.
I'm sorry. I knew I was going to mess it up, but thank you. And I appreciate the opportunity to have spoken with you this week.
Yes.
I had sent you some information last night. It took me a day to try to collect everything and try to electronically send it to you. But I did speak with Alpharetta City, and I provided you in an email with some information on that you had requested.
Yes, Your Honor. That's correct. We have been in negotiations. There is additional information that we need. Some of the discovery has been filed as of November 2nd, 2022. So you can access that via the Georgia's e-file system. And the state is just asking if this can be placed on the final plea calendar.
What is outstanding, Ms. Githia, that the state needs to provide to Mr. Jackson?
The videos.
Okay. And do you, I take it that you don't currently have them?
Correct.
Okay. Let's see, the final plea calendar is on September 6th. Does that give everyone enough time?
Yes, Your Honor.
That should, Your Honor. And then obviously I would just ask if there's anything that once we, review what the state had, what the city has, or the state gets, that in either possible motions maybe, or a plea, or if we have to end up going to trial, certainly we'll make that announcement at the final plea date.
Okay. And that final plea calendar is at 1:30 on September 6th. Okay. Anything further on this matter this morning?
No, Your Honor. I will stay in contact with the state on this. I'll email today just to make contact, and then we'll go from there, and hopefully we can get this resolved.
Okay, very good. If nothing further, you all have a good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You take care, and everyone be safe. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Take care.
Yes, have a good day, ma'am. Position 18, Tressa Davis. Yes, where are you? Yes, good morning, Ms. Davis. Let's see, do you have a private counsel representing you? Would you like to make application for the public defender today?
I did that already.
Okay, let's try, I don't know if you did or didn't, no, let's see if you qualify today.
I think I did it at East Point.
Okay, well, let's see if you qualify today, okay?
Awesome.
Okay, so we'll have someone get with you. Thank you, Ms. Davis. Let's see, the last name is Ezeamii.
Your Honor, that'll be my case. It's a transfer case, so it'll be a public defender's. I just wanted to see if that person was present on Zoom or in court. Judge, I tried to reach out to him, but an old number from an application.
Okay, the first name is Ugochukwu. The last name is Ezeamii.
Present.
Okay, yes, good morning, sir. Can you pronounce your last name for the court, please?
Ezeamii.
Yes, good morning, Mr. Ezeamii. I'll have, if you can place your contact information in the chat so that Ms. Helen can speak with you this morning, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, doing that right now.
All right, very good. She has a number of people that she's going to speak with, so be patient with the court this morning, okay? We'll have someone speak with you before you leave today, okay?
Okay, I got you. So I put the information to stay on?
Just put the information in the chat and make sure that, yes, and don't leave until you're dismissed, okay?
Okay, I got you.
All right, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Position 20, Lenny Frederick. Fedrick. We'll give Mr. Frederick to the end of the calendar to appear. Position 21, Daryl Fleming.
That'll be my case, Judge. Just wanted to see if Mr. Fleming appeared in court or on
I'm
Zoom.
present. I'm here right now.
Well, Mr. Darrell, go ahead and send your email address and your phone number to me in the chat so I can reach out to you at the end of the call of the calendar, okay?
Will do. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Position 22, Darius Flo. Darius Flo, Flowe. We'll give him to the end of the calendar. Position 23, Tangular Freeman.
That'll be my case again, Judge. Just want to see if Miss Freeman is present on Zoom or in court. She's Samsung SM. She doesn't know how to unmute herself, but if you could change her name. And
I'm here.
Miss Freeman, can you send me your email address and phone number in the chat, please? Thank you so much.
I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do the chat, so you might have to guide me there. I don't know how to do it.
There should be a microphone image at the bottom, as well as a chat feature. If you click the chat feature, it should allow you to find my name and send me that information.
Hold on. Okay. Let me see. I see chat. Let me see.
And my name would be PD Catrice Helen. Just send me that information, Miss Freeman. Thank you so much.
You say your name is on here?
Yes, ma'am. PD Catrice Helen.
Okay. Send you my, what you say, send my email?
Yes, ma'am, and your phone number.
Okay, I'm
Thank you
doing
so
it
much.
now.
Thank you.
And phone number.
Thank you, Ms. Freeman. We'll have Ms. Helen get with you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Position 24, Samara Grant.
Present, Your Honor.
Yes, good morning, Ms. Grant. Do you have private counsel representing you? Would you like to make application for the public defender today?
Yes,
Okay, we'll give you that opportunity. Someone will be with you. Thank you, ma'am. Position 25, Ramon Green.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Brandon Rosenblum from Mr. Green. We're asking for a reset or put this on for the final plea calendar. I've just reached out to the state to inquire as to whether or not there are any pictures or videos on this case.
Okay, let's see, whose case is this?
That is my case, Your Honor.
Yes, Ms. Githia, did you receive that request?
I did receive that this morning, and I will have to re-request the body cam.
Okay, anything else that you need from the state, Mr. Rosenblum?
Whatever, all we have so far is a report and citation. So if there's anything else outstanding, that's what we'll need.
Okay, and do you have Ms. Githia's contact information?
Yes, we've been in contact.
Okay, very good.
I harass her on a regular basis on other cases.
Okay, I'm sure she appreciates that. Let's see, Mr. Rosenblum, status calendar on October 4th. Does that work for you?
That'll work same time, Your Honor?
Yes, 9 a.m.
And will that also be virtual?
Or you can come down and be in person with me, whichever you want.
Thank you very much. That concludes my business for today. May I be excused?
Yes, you all have a good day. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Position 26, David Harris. David Harris. We'll give Mr. Harris to the end of the calendar to appear. 27, Ashton Hayes.
Good morning, Judge Brandon Dixon on behalf of Mr. Hayes. Mr. Hayes is present.
Yes, good morning, Mr. Dixon. Let's see, where are we with this matter?
I've had an opportunity to speak with the state in regard to an offer to resolve this matter. Mr. Hayes wants to reject that offer and request a bench trial, Judge.
Okay, let's see. My bench trial calendars are either September 20th or October 30th. Do you have a preference? I'm sorry.
Ma'am,
Oh, August 30th or, well, tell me again. I've got October and September, so,
Okay, it's supposed to be August 30th or September 20th.
right, okay. So August 30th or September 20th. Do you have a preference, Mr. Dixon?
August 30th or September 20th? Okay.
Yes.
Let me check August, Judge. August 20th. August 20th on my calendar, Judge.
August 30th.
Oh, okay, 30th. August 30th works for me, Judge. Mr. Hayes, my client, Judge, does reside out of state. If for whatever reason he has any issues making that date, is it possible for me to let the court know and we move it to that September date, Judge?
Yeah, that's fine with me. So we'll put it tentatively for August 30th unless we hear from you or your office. Otherwise, we'll move it forward on August 30th at 1:30.
1:30, Judge, and that is in person, correct?
Yes, that's in person.
All right, thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, have a good day. Thank you.
Judge.
Position 28 I have as a DA transfer, Chelsea Ingram. Yes, Ms. Ingram. And is this your case, Ms. Skit?
It's my case, Your Honor.
Advisor, is that the only matter that Ms. Ingram had before the court?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Ingram, your case has been transferred to the DA. You'll get notification from the Superior Court of your next hearing date, okay? So, so you don't have anything pending in state court.
Okay.
All right, you have a good day, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Position 29, Lamar Jackson. Lamar Jackson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Durante Partridge on behalf of Mr. Jackson. Judge, I'm trying to get my bearings together with my tech. Give me one moment here. I'm trying to get my camera on. Okay, there it goes. I'm sorry about that, Your Honor.
Okay,
Judge, I am Lamar. Mr. Jackson was on the Zoom call earlier. I'm not sure if he is still there, but I did see him earlier, Your Honor. However, I am asking for a reset for status regarding this case. I am currently in the YSO trial also with Mr. Harvey, who announced the same earlier, and am looking for an opportunity to speak with the state about this case. I believe we should be able to resolve it short of trial, Judge.
Okay, let's see, whose case is this?
That will be mine, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have Ms. Reiser's contact information?
I do not, Your Honor. I'm happy to place my information in the chat and also remain on to receive her information in the chat as well.
And I don't have you on my calendar. Have you filed a notice of appearance in the case?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. This was a bind over from Atlanta Municipal, and I do not believe that it followed. And so I'll get that done as well, Your Honor.
Okay, so if you'll go ahead and do that, I'll reschedule you for October 4th status at 9 a.m. Does that work?
Yes, Your Honor, that will work, notwithstanding my trial conflict if we are still on, but I will inform the court in advance if there's needs to be any shifting in that.
Okay, very good. So in the meantime, if you'll get with Ms. Reiser, get everything that you need in regard to the matter, file your entry, and we'll see you back on October 4th. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Good luck.
You also, Your Honor. Thank you.
We've already handled position 30. That's reset till September 20th motion calendar. Position 31. Erica LaForest.
Your Honor, good morning.
Yes, good morning, Ms.
I spoke to the state. I'm sorry, I have a little bit on my computer. I'm going to talk over the quick. The announcement, I talked to the state yesterday. I was going to ask for a reset to another status. Her mother passed and her only family's up in New York and she's living there right now. I'm trying to get everything situated with her. She also has some health issues. She was in the hospital yesterday and I believe she's still there. pending the results of a CAT scan. She's got some abdominal issues. But Judge, we just ask for a reset if there's no objection.
I don't have any objection. I just want to know if you have everything from the state that you need in regards to this matter, and if not, then I'm happy to help you in that regard.
Yes, Your Honor. I believe the state's provided all of the discovery and they've made an offer, which we think is very reasonable. I do expect it ultimately to be a plea, but I just can't commit to that just yet. But that's where I expect it to go.
Okay. Does that October 4th status calendar at 9 a.m. work for you and your client?
I'm sorry, October
4th.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. October 4th, 9 a.m. And whose case? I'm sorry. Whose case is this?
That'll be mine, Your Honor.
Okay. And do you have Ms. Reiser's information?
I do, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. So we'll see you back on October 4th.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes. Have a good day. Thank you.
You too.
Position 32, Michelle Lewis.
Good morning. Good morning, Judge. Ms. Lewis would be my case if she appears. The phone number we had has been disconnected. I sent the email to the last known email address. I've not heard anything. So, but if she does appear, Judge, I'll handle it.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dodd. I'll hold for your announcement if she appears. Position 33, Donaldo Lovato.
Judge, Mr. Leon is on his way. He's just texting me. He's parking, so he should be involved.
Okay, very good. Thank you. I'll hold for his announcement. Position 34, Larry Miller.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Miller. Let's see, do you have private counsel representing you?
No, last time I came to court, I spoke with the, I think the state, and I explained to them like this situation that, that's going on. It really was because of my mother.
Mr. Miller, first of all, I want you to get to somewhere where you're not walking around so you can properly.
Yeah, I walked in the house to get out the car.
Okay, all right, so get yourself to a steady place for me.
Okay, last time I talked to the state.
Hold on, I don't want you talking. Let me see your face.
Yes, sir.
All right, stop walking.
Oh yeah, I'm finna sit at the kitchen table.
Okay. All right, Mr. Miller, you have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you. We have solicitors here that are, and this is live streamed on YouTube, so I don't want you saying anything that's going to get you into any further trouble. I'm happy to let you see if you qualify for a public defender today, if that's what you choose to do. Would you like to see if you qualify?
I guess so.
Okay, so you've been charged in case 22CR002786F with battery. This charge carries a maximum penalty of 12 months in jail or in custody or $1,000 fine. So you have some substantial liberties that you could be losing. So I want you to speak with an attorney to see if you qualify for their services. So if you'll put your information in the chat, Mr. Miller, someone from the PD's office will get with you, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, sir. And don't leave until I dismiss you, all right? And if we can have someone get with him, we'd appreciate it. Position 35, Silcock Monroe.
Good morning, Judge. My client is here.
Yes, good morning, Mr. Bastian.
We just got in this case. We did get discovery Monday. Looking at the discovery, there's things that I think we could exchange with the state that will show that it's a different type of case. So would like to put on the October 4th status calendar. I think something we could resolve, but it's not something that we could just talk like that. We need to sit down and actually compare notes, try to see if we can resolve it. So that's the reason I'm asking for.
Okay, that's fine. And do you have is this your case, Ms. Reiser?
It is.
And do you have her contact, or have you all been in contact?
We have.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I'll email you stuff. Okay.
So does that October 4th status calendar give you enough time?
It does.
Okay, so we'll reset you for October 4th at 9 a.m. And I hope you can get everything that you need by that time.
Okay. That's my only case, Your Honor. My excuse.
Yes, have a good day. Good to see you as always.
You too.
Position 36, Jamal Panther. Jamal, Paynter. I'll give him till the end of the calendar to appear. Position 37, Eddie Person.
Judge, that was going to be my case, but found out that he's in custody, so got him set up to appear on the next SAP calendar, Judge.
Okay, I've got that down, that he'll be on SAP. Okay, thank you. Position 38, Cedric Pittman. Cedric Pittman. We'll give Mr. Pittman till the end of the calendar to appear. Position 39, Bridget Rader.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dan Mitnick for Jared Mitnick. He has a leave of absence that's been filed. Like to have the status conference reset if possible.
That's fine, Mr. Mitnick. What does that October 4th date work?
I'll certainly pass it on to Jared, and we'll presume for now it works unless he gets in touch with your office.
Okay, very good. We'll put it on the October 4th status calendar and let him know that that's at 9 a.m.
Is that going to be virtual as well, Your Honor?
Yes, you can. It'll be virtual, or you can come down to court with me.
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, you too, Your Honor.
Position 40, Tayana Reese. Tayana Reese. We'll give Ms. Reese until the end of the calendar. Position 41, Khadijah Saeed. I see you there, ma'am. You're gonna have to unmute for me.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes, good morning, Ms. Saeed. Let's see, do you have private counsel representing you?
Not at this time.
Would you like to make application for the public defender today?
Yes, please.
Okay, so if you go ahead and put your information in the chat, someone will get with you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, ma'am. Position 42, Ulysses Seabrook. Mr. Seabrook with us? We'll give him to the end of the calendar to appear. Position 43, Ahmed Sen.
Good morning, Your Honor. Josh Milliken for Mr. Sen. He's with us.
Good morning, Mr. Milliken. Where are we with this matter?
Ms. Reiser got me some additional discovery on Friday, and she and I have started speaking about this matter. So I'm hoping we could move it either to the final plea or the next status and have some sort of definitive answer by then.
Okay, is there anything further, Mr. Milliken, that you need from the state that I can assist you with?
I don't believe so. I think she gave it to me all on Friday. We were missing
Okay.
some stuff and she gave it to me.
Okay, so let's see, the final plea calendar is on September 6th. The status calendar is on October 4th. Do you have a preference?
Let's go ahead and do September 6th for final plea. I'm hoping that she's super responsive, so I think she and I should be able to talk about this case before then.
And that final plea calendar is going to be at 1:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, anything further this morning?
No, Your Honor, may we be excused?
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Position 44, Taylor Summer.
Hi, good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Ms. Summer. Let's see. Is it Summer Taylor?
It is Summer Taylor,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, I'm sorry. They have it backwards on my calendar. Ms. Taylor, do you have a private attorney representing you?
No, I don't. I actually don't know what the case is pending. If you could inform me of that, I would appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am. You've been charged in case 22 CR 002463F with simple battery and criminal trespass. This offense allegedly occurred on October 1st of 2019.
Got you. Is this, was this at the 5 Point MARTA train station?
That's all that I have. So Ms. Taylor, I'm happy to let you make application for a public defender
Sure.
today, if you'd like to do that.
Sure.
Okay, so if you'll go ahead and put your information in the chat, we'll have someone get with you, okay?
Okay, if you don't mind, can you please reiterate the date for me again?
The date of the alleged offense?
Yes, sir.
Is that what you're asking for? Okay, yes, I have down it was October 1st of 2019.
October 1st, 2019. Okay, thank you, Judge.
Yes, okay, someone will be with you. Position 45, Marcus Thomas.
That's my case, Your Honor. Good morning. Casey Cleaver here for Marcus Thomas. Good to see you.
Yes, good to see you also. Where are we with Mr. Thomas's case?
So, Your Honor, Ms. Reiser had kindly provided me the discovery in the case and extended an offer. I anticipate we'll accept that. I would just like to set it up for a final plea date so I can go over the terms with my client. He can start completing some of these conditions in advance and review the discovery that we received as well, just to confirm the offer.
Okay, very good. So the final plea calendar is on September 6th. Does that give you enough time?
It does, Your Honor.
Okay, September 6th at 1:30. And if it's going to be a plea, if you get the paperwork into the court before that or before that date, I'm happy to have you virtual. If you don't have the paperwork in, I prefer you come in so that we can get that done quickly and get you in and out of here, okay?
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right, anything further this morning?
No, may I be excused?
Yes, have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you. You as well.
Position 46, Erica Wadley. Ms. Wadley with us. We'll give her to the end of the calendar. Position 47, Thomas Whitmore.
Yes.
Your Honor, Thomas, Mr. Whitmore should be here. I think he's there.
Yes, Mr. Thomas, he's here. I see him. Where are we with Mr. Whitmore's case?
Your Honor, there are motions filed in this case, so I would like to move to a motions date.
Okay, I have a motions calendar. Let's see. Either on October 30th or September 20th. Do you have a preference? I mean, sorry, August 30th or September 20th, excuse me.
September 20th, Your Honor. I'm going to take some leave at the end of the August, so let's do it in the second date.
Okay, so September 20th at 9 a.m. Have those motions already been filed or are they pending?
No, they've been filed, Your Honor. Because of a couple of recent court decisions, I may update them, but they have been filed.
Okay, very good. So I will see you and Mr. Whitmore back on September 20th, and that will be an in-person hearing on that date.
Yes. Will we get written notice or just mark it down right now?
You can mark it down now, but you'll still get notice.
Okay, terrific, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. If nothing more, you and Mr. Whitmore have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Position 48, Yasmin Wright. Ms. Wright, I see you there. I have that you're represented by Ms. Watson Cafe. Ms. Wright, I don't see Ms. Watson Cafe on the line. Let's see if we can have somebody raise her this morning, okay?
Okay,
Okay, we'll be with you. Thank you, Ms. Wright.
thank you.
And if we can have someone give Ms. Watson Cafe a call to see if she's going to appear this morning, I'd appreciate it. Position 49, Raymond Young. Raymond Young. We'll give Mr. Young to the end of the calendar to appear. Position 50, Vardy Young.
Judge, that would be my case. I actually spoke to somebody who said it was his brother yesterday, Judge, and I was expecting him. So during the break, I'll reach out again and see what's going on.
Oh, I'm here.
Oh, great. All right. I'm not sure. Is this the iPhone 3? Are you in your car, sir?
Yes, I'm here. I actually was trying to pull up to the courthouse because I was having trouble with my phone.
Okay. So do you plan on, Mr. Young, do you plan on coming into the court with me?
It's the service once it got better once I pulled off. I'm working if I didn't have to now. I was going to pull somewhere and park because the service is real bad where I stay.
Okay, so Mr. Young, Mr. Haddad will speak with you this morning. Do you have his contact information, Mr. Haddad?
Judge, if you can, Mr. Young, if you can put your phone number on the chat line, I'm not sure if I have your correct number or not, but just put it on there. I'll give you a call once the judge takes a break. Do not leave Zoom unless the judge excuses you.
Okay, no problem. And I'm putting it in now.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Mr. Young.
Okay. And I see that position 33, Mr. Lael. Yes.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm well, thank you for holding my report. So my client does not speak English. I'd like to talk to the prosecutor about perhaps resolving the case. We may can take a plea today. I don't know if there's a Spanish interpreter available. I do have an interpreter. He's not court certified. I've used him before in court. I'll waive the necessity for that if that's something the court will consider. If not, at least I'll have a pre-trial with the prosecutor.
Okay, so this is Miss right. So if you'll speak with them this morning, and it's up to you all. If you agree with the solicitor to use your interpreter, is fine with me. It doesn't matter with the court. So
Yes, sir. And I have another matter. I was just notified yesterday by my client that I have a case in this court tomorrow at 9 o'clock. And it was bound over from Alpharetta, so I did not receive notice until this morning. And I have a lot of conflicts for tomorrow, so I don't know if we can address that now to move this case that's on tomorrow's calendar now, or address that later with you.
That's, you don't have court time, right? So why don't we do this? Even if we don't have a calendar tomorrow, I don't know if the client's here, still speak with Ms. Reiser about that case. And if we can resolve it, I'm happy to put it on the next calendar or resolve it however you wish.
Yes, sir. I'll stand by.
Okay. All right. So let me start with Zoom. Is there anyone on the Zoom call who did not hear their name or who joined us late that would like to make an announcement? Okay. Anybody in court that did not hear their name? All right. So those of you that are both here in court and on Zoom, someone will be speaking with you this morning. So be patient, but answer your phones when they call so that they can make an announcement. And if you're in court, someone will be with you to see if you qualify for the public defender. Okay. Okay. And as we do that, the court will be in recess until there's an announcement from one of the attorneys. Good morning, Mr. Harris. Let's see, do you have a private attorney representing you in this matter?
No, sir, I don't.
Would you like to make application for a public defender today?
I definitely will.
Okay, so, when Ms. Rosenhuber comes back in, I'll let her know that, that you'd like to make application and she'll get with you, okay?
Sure.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Ms. Younger, I just sent you some plea paperwork. Can you print it out for me so I can fill it out?
No problem. Next time, make sure I haven't gone. Notice.
Hello.
The next station is King Memorial. That's the end.
Erica Wadley, Ms. Wadley, are you with me? Ms. Wadley? Ms. Wright?
Yes, sir.
We've heard from Ms. Watson Cafe. She should be on with us soon, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Dodd, do you have an announcement?
I do, Judge. I have a couple announcements. Judge, position number, sorry about that. Position number 10, Charles Boyette. He does qualify for the services of the Public Defender's Office. I would just ask if we can reset it to another status hearing so I can get the discovery, have meaningful conversations with him and see if we can work it out.
Okay, so does the October 4th date work for you, Mr. Dodd?
Let me just double check. I may have leave. I'm so sorry, Judge.
No,
I
you're
should have
fine.
had the calendar in front of me. I think October 4th should be fine, Judge.
Okay, so October 4th at 9 a.m. Status.
Thank you, Judge. And the next case I have that I
Mr. Boyette, is Mr. Boyette free to go, Mr. Haddad?
yes, he is. I do have good contact information for him.
Okay, very good. Mr. Boyette, we'll see you back on October 4th, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you have a good day, sir. Yes, Mr. Haddad.
And position number 41, Ms. Saeed, she does not qualify for the services of the public defender's office. She did want to try and get an attorney, so if we can have her case reset, but I'll let the court, of course, inquire from Ms. Saeed directly.
Okay, Ms. Saeed, I'm happy to give you the opportunity to obtain counsel if you like. If you want to speak with a solicitor this morning and receive the offer in the matter, I'm happy to let you do that also. What is your preference?
Your Honor, I attempted to contact solicitor's office, via email and telephone, and they've yet to return my calls or respond to the 4 emails I sent. So I think I'd rather go get an attorney.
Okay, I understand that, but we have solicitors on with it. Whose case is this? Position 41?
It'll be mine, Your Honor.
Would you mind speaking with Ms. Saeed today and letting her know your contact information so that if she does get an attorney, that they will have the correct information?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so hold on for me, Ms. Saeed. Ms. Reiser will speak with you this morning, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. We'll be with you. Thank you, ma'am. Any other announcements, Mr. Haddad?
Judge, my only request, if Mr. Young, Vadi Young is on, for him to answer his phone. I tried to reach him. Mr. Young, if you're on, I'm about to give you a call again. Not sure.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Ms. Rosenhuber, I'm sorry, before you go, let's see, we had someone come in late that has requested your assistance also, position number 26. Mr. David Harris, who is here. So I just wanted to alert you that he wants to make application.
Great. Thank you so much, Judge. I'll be with him as soon as I can.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
My name is Erica Watley. I've been having a hard time trying to get in a meeting, but I've been in since like 8:55.
Okay, Ms. Watley, I see you there. Do you have a private attorney representing you in this matter?
No, sir.
Would you like to make application for the public defender this morning?
Yes, that'd be great.
Okay, so if you'll put your information in the chat, I'll have someone get with you, okay?
Okay, how would I do that? Because I can't get to the chat box. I just had to go through a whole lot. And like right now, it seems to me like on my phone, it's not giving me an option for a chat box.
Okay, let's see.
Any stop. Green Line train is approaching the station.
Can we?
Ms. Wadley, I'm going to send you that prompt in the chat and maybe respond
Ms.
to
Wadley,
it.
you can have to
get your
turn.
information.
Okay, so if you can hear me, Ms. Wadley, I'll have someone place their information in to you directly when someone returns, okay? So just hold on for the court.
fine for 40 hours of community service,
horas de servicio a la comunidad,
an alcohol drug evaluation, and a treatment if deemed necessary,
evaluación de alcohol y droga,
one risk reduction, and one victim impact panel.
víctima, tienes que ver en los videos de la víctima de impacto que ya lo hiciste.
Count 2 will be null prost as part of the negotiated agreement,
El que quede en la licencia sería desechado.
and the state does not object to non-reporting after conditions are met.
Después que cumplas con todo y pagues todo, no tienes que reportarse. Ellos no están oponiéndose a la negociación que hizo el abogado.
And for purposes of the plea, the state is fine with defense counsel's interpreter so long as they waive that. Any issues regarding the interpretation or anything like that for
Normalmente ellos tienen alguien que
record
traduce aquí,
purposes.
pero no tienen ningún problema de que yo te esté traduciendo.
Mr. Bell?
Judge, thank you. Yes, that is correct. I'm Ms. Reiser and I.
Correcto. Lo que
About Ramirez, I've been working with him for 12 years. I've used him before. He is not court certified. On the record, we're waiving the necessity of a court certified interpreter and agreeing to let Mr. Ramirez interpret.
So, están de acuerdo de que yo te esté traduciendo. Como te acabo de decir, normalmente ellos tienen a alguien profesional que trabaja para ellos, pero él no se presenta aquí. So, por eso yo te estoy explicando lo que debía de explicarte la persona.
And he is not related to the defendant either.
No tenemos ninguna relación, así no somos amigos.
Judge, my client's been very proactive. He has all the conditions done. We've got a drug and alcohol evaluation. We have a risk reduction done. We've got the 40 hours community service and the victim impact panel.
Fuiste muy
completed.
consciente, hiciste todo lo que ellos pidieron.
This is a negotiated plea. I would ask the court to accept the plea as negotiated.
Me gustaría, señor juez, que acepte la recomendación que le estoy dando.
Yes. Okay. Mr. Lovato, it's my understanding that in case 21 CR 007914 F,
Señor Lovato, entiendo que el caso número 2177FF
you wish to plead guilty to DUI less safe.
vas a declarar culpable por el delito del DUI.
Is that correct?
¿Correcto? Yeah. Yes.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
¿Bajo la influencia de algún alcohol o droga esta mañana?
No.
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with your counsel's representation?
Dentro con la representación del abogado el día de hoy. Yes. Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up your right to a trial by jury?
Entiendes que no tienes que declararte culpable el día de hoy, tú tienes derecho de ir a un juicio, pedir un juicio y cancelar esta corte y irte a juicio. Si es que no quisieras hacer la declaración el día de hoy. ¿Entiendes?
Entiendo.
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
¿Alguien te forzó o te obligó a que declararas el día de hoy? No, sir.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated.
Voy a aceptar la negociación como fue negociada.
I appreciate that you've gone ahead and gotten a lot of the conditions out of the way.
Te aprecio, te agradezco que hayas adelantado a hacerte todas las cosas sin que yo te haya dicho.
So you'll initially have to report to probation, but as soon as you complete the other terms, I believe has he paid the money already?
He's prepared to pay whenever he can.
Okay.
We can pay it. We can pay it.
Okay.
If it's
I don't know if y'all can accept the money today, but maybe at his first probation appointment. I don't know.
Okay, so as soon as he completes all the terms, it'll go to a non-reporting status.
Cuando pagues el ticket, vas a mostrar todos los documentos y ya no te vas a reportar. Que te va a cancelar la reportación. No tienes que representarte, normalmente tienes que ir una vez cada mes. Eso te va a anular todo eso.
Una vez pagando el ticket.
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right, good luck, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge. That's all I have today.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank you, Joe.
Is Ms. Saheed on Zoom?
Say it again.
Is Ms. Saheed position or 41? Is she on Zoom? Do you know, Judge?
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Okay. I can go in a breakout room with her.
Okay. So Ms. Saheed, we're going to put you into a breakout room with Ms. Reiser so you can discuss your matter. So something's going to come up on your device. So just accept the breakout room when it comes up. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I make an announcement?
Yes, Mr. Dunn.
All right, Judge, on position number 50, Mr. Young, if we can set it for a final plea, I need to do a little bit more work and then reach out to Ms. Reiser, whoever is going to prosecute the case, to looking for a resolution on the case, but we can't do it today.
Okay,
But
so
a
that
final plea would be good.
final plea calendar is on September 6th at 1:30. Does that work for you?
September 6th should be fine, Judge. Thank you.
Okay.
And Mr. Young, I had him come back on, so I don't need to speak to him anymore, Judge.
Okay, here he is. So, Mr. Young, your case has been reset for September 6th at 1:30, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You
Am
have
I, I was gonna ask without excuse.
Yes, you're free to go, Mr. Young. Have a good day.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
And Your Honor, just for clarification, and I've been in and out, of course, but did position number 46, Erica Wadley, does she need to speak to an attorney?
She does, but she's having some problems with her device there and was not able to put her information in the chat. Let's see, where are you, Miss? Are you still with me, Miss Wadley?
I think she did, Judge.
Yes, sir. I'm still here.
I do have a phone number on the chat line. I'll give her a call, see if she qualifies, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Haddad's going to be with you, Miss Wadley.
So I'm good to leave and wait on him to call?
No, you're not. You don't leave until Mr. Haddad has spoken with you, okay?
Okay. So stay on Zoom?
Are you on your telephone?
I'm on the phone on Zoom, but it's like it say start video, but every time I try to press the video, it's like enable my device. I don't want the Chrome.
Okay.
So I'm like on a minute phone, like a government phone. So I'm guessing probably that's why I'm having a hard time.
Okay, so let's see. You can't be on. I take it you can't be on Zoom and also accept a phone call. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so get off Zoom for now. Mr. Haddad is going to call you, and then he's going to report back to me. Okay.
Okay.
Once you speak with Mr. Haddad, you get back on Zoom.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. All right.
You're welcome. Does that
Thank
work,
you,
Mr.
Judge.
Haddad? Okay.
That's perfect. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Mhm.
help to speak? Won't it?
Cool. Whatever you're
Thank you,
ready.
Judge. Position number 18, Miss Davis, she does qualify for our services. That will be my case moving forward. If we could get the next available status date so that I can file an entry and request discovery, I'd appreciate it.
Okay, that will be on October 4th. Does that work?
That does work, Judge.
October 4th at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
And Ms. Davis, is she free to go? Do you need
She
her?
is, Judge.
Ms. Davis, we will see you back on October 4th, okay?
I'll get somebody to send me something.
Yes, you'll be in touch with Ms. Rosenhofer.
Thank you.
Yes, have a good day, ma'am.
Next announcement, Judge, is for position number 24, Ms. Samar Grant. I did speak with Ms. Grant. She does qualify for our services. We just need a final plea date, Judge. I think we're really close to being able to work that one out.
Okay, September's,
Yes, Ms. Grant's right here.
There you go.
let's see, September 6th, final plea at 1:30. Does that work?
That works, Judge.
Okay. Okay, Ms. Grant, we'll see you back on September 6th.
Thank you.
Okay, you have a good day, ma'am.
And lastly, Judge, position number 26, Mr. Harris. He also qualifies for our services. I'll need time to request discovery and get with the state. If we could get that October 4th status date.
Okay, that's October 4th at 9 a.m. Status. All right, very good.
October 4th, 9 a.m.
Have a good day, Mr. Harris. Thank you.
Thank you.
And is that all of them, Ms. Rosenhuber?
That's all of my in-person people. I've got someone I need to talk to over Zoom, and then I'll jump in and help
Okay,
my colleagues if they're
thank you.
still.
We appreciate it.
Mhm.
You have an announcement, Mr. Dunn?
I do, Judge, on Ms. Wadley, position number 46. She's gonna, I think she's trying to pop back on Zoom, but she does qualify, Judge. If
Okay.
we set it to a final plea, I think the court said, it's mentioned September 6th, I think, and that's fine, Judge.
Okay, September 6th, final plea calendar at 1:30.
All right, thank you, Judge. And assuming she's trying to get back on, Judge, but I'm assuming she's excused.
Yes, if she comes back on, oh, there she is. Ms. Wadley, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're gonna reset your case until September 6th at 1:30, okay?
Okay.
All right, so Mr. Dodd will be in touch with you. And if you, next time I'm gonna need for you to have a device that you can actually activate so that I can properly see you, okay?
Okay, I will. That's fine.
All right, we'll see you back on September 6th. You have a good day, ma'am.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you,
You're
Judge.
welcome. Okay.
I don't know if she's still in the breakout room or not. If we can bring her back.
We pull Miss Saeed out of the breakout room.
Yes, Judge. I sent her a prompt. She just has to accept it.
Okay, thank you. Oh, there she goes. So Miss Saeed, you've had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Reiser. What would you like? How would you like to proceed, ma'am? You have to unmute yourself. I'm sorry.
My apologies, Your Honor. Thank you for your time. I would like to request a postponement for status in order to obtain legal representation.
Okay. Do you think you can get that done by October 4th?
I'm definitely going to do my very best.
Okay, so October 4th at 9 a.m. If you do retain counsel, Ms. Saeed, please have him or her file a notice of appearance. You already have Ms. Reiser's information. Make sure you give that information to your attorneys once you require one, so that he can get in touch with Ms. Reiser so that we can move your case forward, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Will I be able to appear in Zoom again?
Yes, that'll be fine, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, any other questions for me this morning, Ms. Saeed?
No, thank you, Your Honor. Thank you for your time today.
Yes, you have a good day, ma'am.
You too, sir.
Thank you.
I'm dismissed.
Yes, you're dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mm-mm. No, no.
Okay,
I'm looking at position number 13, Mr. Anthony Carter. He and I just spoke a bit about his case. I conveyed the recommendation. I still need time to file for discovery and speak with the state. If we could please have the October 4th status calendar.
okay. And Mr. Carter, are you with me?
He is, Judge. He's muted, but he's up in the corner for me.
Hello?
Yes, good morning again, Mr. Carter. Let's see. It's my understanding that your case is going to be reset till October 4th, okay? It's the status
Okay.
conference calendar, and you'll speak with Ms. Rosenhoover before that time, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're free to go this morning. Have a good day, sir.
You too. Thank you very much. You
You're
should
welcome.
enjoy your day today and every day after. Thank you.
You as well. Let me just remind everyone that's waiting to hear from a public defender, they'll be with you. We have a number of people still on the line, so just hang on for us and someone will be with you as soon as they can. And that's
I was
in regard to you, Mr. Miller, who sent the information.
Judge, if I could get into a breakout room with Mr. Miller, I can take my computer out in the hallway and talk to him
Okay.
right now.
So, Mr. Miller, are you with me? Larry Miller?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Miller, we're gonna put you into a breakout room with Ms. Rosenhoover, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I mean, yes, sir.
Can you activate your camera for me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there you go. So we're gonna place you into a breakout room. When you see that come up on your phone, accept it, okay?
Okay, yes, sir.
Thank you. Have an announcement, Mr. Haddad?
Judge, may I make an announcement or request?
Yes.
With so many moving parts, I'm not sure if anybody spoke to Miss Taylor. I tried to call her, but she didn't answer. I'm not sure. Don't know where, not sure if she's still on Zoom or she needs to be interviewed. We can put her in that breakout room.
I'm still here, Judge. I haven't been reached out to as of yet.
All right, so with the court's assistance, if somebody can put me in a breakout room with her and.
Okay, so can you activate your camera, Miss Taylor?
Sure, 1 second, please.
So we're gonna place you into a breakout room with Mr. Haddad, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Miss Helen, do you have an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, I have a few announcements if the court is ready.
Yes.
My first announcement is for position 16. He already qualified. He's a transfer case. So Judge, I'm going to enter in my appearance. I'm going to request videos. I do think that this should be set to a final plea calendar, Judge. I just need to review the videos with Mr. Cornelius, but I do think this should be to a final plea calendar.
Okay, that final plea calendar is on September 6th. Okay,
At 9 a.m., Judge?
1:30.
Understood.
Okay, and let's see, is
Mr.
Royce,
Cornelius.
is he
Yes,
free to
Judge.
go? Okay, Mr. Royce, we'll see you back on September 6th, okay, sir?
Mr. Royce, did you get that date? I'll give it to him, Judge.
Okay.
Yes, I got the date, September 6th at 1 a.m.
1:30 p.m.
Okay, so you'll get notice. All right, you have a good day, sir.
My next position is position 19, Mr. Azimi, and he's on Zoom.
Okay.
Judge, same announcement. I'm going to enter in my appearance. I'm going to request those videos, but I do think we will need that September the 6th date as well, Judge.
Okay, final plea, September 6th, 1:30.
And Mr. Azimi, I see him there, but his video and his audio isn't on. I just want to make sure he caught that date. If not, I'll give it to him, Judge.
Yeah, I called the date. September 6th, September 6th, 1:30 a.m. 1 p.m.
Yes, sir. Okay, you have a good day.
You too.
My next position is position 21. I don't know which ASG is on this. I am resetting it. It will be a plea. I just want to go over the discovery with Mr. Fleming prior to entering in a plea with him. But we're just going to ask for that next final plea date, Judge. If the state could put the offer as it stands now on the record.
Your Honor, that's me. I will be handling that case. And the offer is for battery family violence. It's 12 months to serve 2 days, credit for time served 2 days. The balance is probated to attend a family violence intervention program, $300 fine or 40 hours of community service, and no further violent contact with the victim.
Understood.
Okay, so let's see, Mr. Fleming, we'll see you back on September 6th.
September 6th, Your Honor. At what time? 1:30?
1:30, sir.
All right. I appreciate you all's time and everything.
Thank you, Mr. Fleming.
Yes. Y'all have a good one. Y'all be safe. Am I excused, Your Honor?
Yes, have a good day, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Thank you.
My last position, Judge, is position 23, Ms. Freeman. I did speak to her on the Zoom call. I think she had to log off to speak to me. I do believe she's going to log back on, Judge. I am going to enter in my appearance. I do wish this be set to the next final plea calendar, Judge.
I'm sorry, which position was that? I didn't hear.
23.
Okay.
Okay, final plea, September 6th, 1:30. Okay,
I'll give her, oh, she's right there, Judge. I don't know if she can turn on her audio or video. Ms. Freeman? And if not, Judge, I'll give her that date.
I'm
Okay.
here. You
Okay,
hear me?
yes, Ms. Freeman. We'll see you back on September 6th at 1:30. Okay, ma'am?
All right, thank you. I'm excused.
Yes, you're free to go. Have a good day, ma'am.
You have a blessed one too. Thank you, Your Honor.
And Judge, those are all of my positions. I don't know if someone else was waiting to be spoken to on Zoom.
Okay, I've got that we have, let's see, is someone speaking to position 34?
Yes, Judge, I did speak with Mr. Miller and he does qualify for our services. I'll be handling that case moving forward. I'll file my entry of appearance and request discovery, and we would request the October 4th status date.
Okay, October 4th at 9 a.m. Status. All right, Mr. Miller, if you're on with this, we'll see you back on October 4th.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Let's see.
Okay.
Position 44 and okay, that's Miss Taylor. The breakout room now. Position 50. Mr. Dodd, we're speaking with that position. Good morning, Miss Watson Cafe. How are you today?
I'm doing well. How are you, Your Honor?
Good. So you have Miss Wright, who has been on with us. What are we doing with Miss Wright today?
So I have the offer and the paper discovery. I'm not sure that I have the video discovery in her case. I don't know. My last contact was with Miss Reiser.
I shared the video on July 21st via evidence.com.
Did you hear her, Miss Watson Cafe?
I did. I'm looking through my email. I guess I would ask to be put on the next calendar so I can go over.
Okay. Would you like a status calendar or would you like a final plea calendar?
A status. This might end up having to go to a trial.
Okay, so I'll place you on the October 4th status at 9 a.m. Does that work for you?
I'm sorry, what date did you say? I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was trying to go to my email.
October 4th, 9 a.m.
Oh, I'm on leave. Do you have something sooner? I'm on leave from like the 1st to the 7th in October.
I have a final plea, the 1st through, when are you on leave? I'm sorry.
I'm on leave from October 1 to the 7th, I think.
Okay. What about September 6th, the final plea calendar?
Your Honor. That's perfect. I don't have anything on the calendar.
Okay, so we'll place you on that September 6th final plea 1:30 calendar, okay? All right, and
Thank you, Your Honor.
you're welcome, Ms. Wright. Thank you for your patience this morning. We will see you back on September 6th, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thank
You'll
you.
have a rest of your day.
You too.
Mr. Dodd, do you have an announcement?
I do, Judge, on position number
44.
Thank you, good. She does qualify. I'm gonna ask to reset for another status hearing. I'll email the solicitor. I think there's a video out there from Marta, potentially, but I'll send an email to the appropriate ASG. But if we can reset it for status hearing, I think October 6th is fine, Judge.
Okay, that's October 4th.
October 4th, I apologize.
Okay, at 9 a.m. Okay. And let's see, is Miss Taylor back on the line with us? Is she back out of the breakout?
She should be, Judge.
Yeah, if she's not, could we pull her back out of the breakout? Okay, so Miss Taylor, we'll see you back on October 4th at 9 a.m., okay? All right, you're on mute, Miss Taylor.
Sorry about that. Will I get a notification via mail or how
Yes,
will I get the notification?
you'll get the notification the same way you received the notification for today's hearing, okay?
Awesome. Cool beans.
All right, you have a good day.
You as well. Bye-bye.
Okay, and I think does that take care of everyone this morning? Is anyone on that has not been taken care of? I think we've taken care of everyone.
And
all right, Judge, have a good day. Thank you.
Okay, you too, Ms. Taylor. See you next time. And for all the,
I was gonna say, Judge, before we call the calendar, all the people who did, or all the defendants who did not appear, the state will be requesting bench warrants in each one of their cases.
okay, so for those that didn't appear, a bench warrant will be granted. For position 1, we did contact Ms. Bray's office. She was going to be on the line with us. Given that she's not here and it's going on at 11 o'clock, I'm going to reset her case because we were able to contact her for that October 4th status at 9 a.m. So if she contacts clerk's office, just let her know that her case has been rescheduled to then and that we expect that she and her client will be here on that date. Okay, Michelle, whenever you're ready, we can go over the calendar.
Okay, position 1 is going to be reset October 4th status. Position 2, Alexander, is reset for jury trial. Position 3 is reset status October 4th. Position 4 is a bench warrant. Position 5 and 6 are bench warrants. Position 7, Ashford, is a bench warrant. Position 8, Baker, is reset October 4th for status. Position 9 is reset motions September 20th. Position 10 is reset October 4th for status. Position 11, Butler, is a bench warrant. Position 12 was a null cross. Position 13, Carter, is reset October 4th for status. Position 14 is a bench warrant. Position 15 is a bench warrant as well. Position 16 is reset September 6th for final plea. Position 17 is reset final plea for September 6th. Position 18, Davis, is reset October 4th for status. Position 19 is reset September 6th for final plea. Position 20 is a bench warrant. Position 21, Fleming, is reset September 6th for final plea. Position 22 is a bench warrant. Position 23 is reset September 6th for final plea. Position 24, Grant, is reset final plea September 6th. Position 25 is reset October 4th for status. Position 26 is reset October 4th for status. Position 27 will be reset for a bench trial August 30th. That's Hayes. Position 28 has been transferred to the district attorney's office or superior court. Position 29 is reset October 4th for status. Position 30 is reset for September 20th motions and possibly a jury trial as well. Position 31 will be reset October 4th for status. Position 32, Lewis, is a bench warrant. Position 33 was a plea. Position 34, Miller, was reset for status October 4th. Position 35 was reset for status October 4th. Position 36 was a bench warrant. Position 37 will be placed on the SAP calendar. Position 38 is a bench warrant. Position 39 is reset October 4th for status. Position 40 is a bench warrant. Position 41 is reset for October 4th status. Position 42, Seabrook, is a bench warrant. Position 43, reset for September 6th, a final plea. Position 44 is reset October 4th for status. Position 45 is reset final plea September 6th. Position 46 is reset final plea September 6th. Position 47, Whitmore, is reset motions for September 20th. Position 48, Wright, is reset September 6th for final plea. Position 49, Raymond Young, is a bench warrant, and position 50, Young, is reset September 6th for final plea.
Any questions or concerns? If not, thank you all. We appreciate the help today. Have a good rest of your day.